Hello. It is time for Saturday Solutions, 2 o'clock every Saturday. HLC Bookkeeping and Office Services, Christina Rue and
Krista Rue.
we do basically just a little, let's talk about things that happened this week in business and life and tips that we have for you or research we've done or just a couple times it turned into a confessional for me. So it's whatever you need it to be on Saturdays. That's what we're here for.
That's right. That's
Yep.
right. And don't be afraid to email us at office@yourhlc or call us 724-561-7460 and tell us a topic you would like discussed as well.
Correct. We'll be glad to discuss.
We do. We know how to talk.
Yeah.
All right. So as Christina said, the purpose of Saturday Solutions is to impart some things that our clients or friends have said, hey, do you want to talk about this? Or this is what I'm running into. Maybe we should talk to you guys because you might be running into the same thing. So let's recap last week's topics. One was about cash flow, specifically having a credit policy, or if you don't have a credit policy, what we recommend is having authorizations that after a specific time that you have the right to go get your money from the credit cards or bank accounts that your clients have supplied you, because we're in the business of service, not in the business of collecting
Or credit giving.
Right. All right. And then we also talked about cash, which is our system we use to help show cash flow in businesses. We always recommend you have at least a quarter's worth of data so that we can project appropriately. But you know me, I like 2 or 3 years. And that would be great.
Yep.
And then the third thing was we spoke about deadlines, insurance audits, that type of thing. Make sure that you're putting on your schedule enough time to do so.
Correct. So let's get to this week's 3 topics. Dun, dun, dun. Number 1.
All right. Which Christina wanted to talk about, so I'm not sure where this is going to go, was unplanned interruptions.
Oh, so this week, people, we had so many unplanned interruptions, and it's things beyond your control, right? So when your internet company decides to work on your street and your internet's going to be down, but they only tell you that morning, all your plans for that day kind of get chucked out the window. You know what I'm saying?
Because yes, you might have alternate ways of getting on the internet, but they're not quite as fast.
Correct. And not only that, this week I was sick, had a fever. So I didn't go to clients because I had a fever. So we didn't want to be contagious. Although my spunk is contagious. We didn't want it. So I had to do all that remotely with them. So luckily, people were very gracious and allowed us to continue and do that. But like, these are things completely beyond your control. You have no idea it's going to happen. So what do? How do you adjust?
Walk in, or
exactly.
a client calls with an emergency that you have to deal with. So that sort of bumps back your plans for the rest of the day. So you're either working longer, working late, which then can make you cranky for the rest of the week.
Correct. So like the best thing to do when you have to adjust is we find breathing is helpful. And that I love that 3 deep breaths and you cleanse and then you can think clearer, because again, life is life, people. That's the joy of living. So sometimes we have to adjust on the fly and you just got to go with it. So that's my I guess hot point for the week was adjust well. Don't think of it as the negative it can be. Kind of try to find the positive and keep moving forward.
That's right. And my secret is I love watching cat, dog, and animal videos on Facebook.
It's true.
And I love it when their owners put like little voices to them. It's so funny.
Yes.
And that automatically puts me in a better frame of mind. It's 3 minutes. You can take 3 minutes to change your attitude.
Correct.
All right. Now, one of the things we're running into is we have multiple clients.
Is this topic 2?
Topic 2.
Topic 2.
Topic 2. Multiple clients who think they want to have a loan.
Oh, yes. Mm-hmm.
Now, we have quite a few new clients
Mm-hmm.
who the banks don't like where their books are right now.
Mm-hmm.
So we are working with them to correct the past and get good numbers for the future.
Mm-hmm.
So, but you guys have to realize that if your books are not correct, the bank will not give you money. No matter how good a guy or gal you are,
Mm-hmm.
they're just not going to go on, oh, but I'll make it happen.
Mm-hmm. Will does not pay the bill.
That's
When
right.
you say I will, that does not pay the bill. And banks want to get paid, just like you want to get paid. So the thing to keep in mind is, yes, you have to have good financials, a good balance sheet, a good profit and loss. Usually they want to see historical data. They want to make sure you've been in business for a little bit and that you have good policies and procedures in place.
Projections for the future?
Right, all that stuff. So it's not just about getting your financials ready. It's also about knowing where you are. Some of them require like strategic plans.
Yeah, because some of them will require collateral. So
either personal or business
a personal
related.
Guarantee.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So like
So
you
be
have
prepared
to
for
be
that.
prepared.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, and like, there's a lot of great local banker people that you can talk to and say, hey, if I'm thinking of getting a loan, what do you want to see from me? And they'll can help you prepare for, because they want to help service you.
Right. 2 to 3 years of tax returns.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so make sure you have all that stuff ready and available, because again, it behooves banks to keep you in business, because then they stay in business. So
a stronger community makes stronger everything.
Businesses make a strong community.
Well, it all works together.
It all works. It's a beautiful thing.
Right, but don't be mad at the banks if they're like, look, I can't give you money. Just flat out say, what do you need from me?
What can I do?
What can I do to make this happen?
Yeah, and like, it's a relationship. You should be having, and again, like we talked about with your insurance people and your professional service people, banks are servicing you. So you should have a good relationship with your bank and not an adversarial one. So if you are not finding joy walking in the doors of your bank, find a new bank.
That's right. That's right. All right. And then the third thing we want to talk about is training. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. I'll talk about training.
You're our trainer.
I am HLC's trainer for some things. I train on bookkeeping, anything you want to know about QuickBooks Desktop, online, enterprise. I've taught point of sale. It's whatever you need to know about QuickBooks, how to move forward. We do budgeting seminars for training and stuff, but let's talk about the importance of training. I have had people in classes who have worked on QuickBooks for 5 years and they've learned something new in the class. And why is that? Because once we learn what we learn, we kind of stay there, and we either don't give ourselves time to expand our knowledge, or it's impossible to find the time to expand our knowledge on the software. So sometimes paying for an easy training not only helps you, but it helps your business grow, because you can learn new ways to do stuff. Like
more efficient.
Exactly. And Krista does budgeting seminars and the cash system, which helps with cash flow. So like all these type of seminars and trainings build. So is training necessary? You don't have to do it, people. You don't. Should you? That's the question. Should you? Because like I go to trainings all the time. We're going to be 18 this year.
No, we're finishing our 18th year.
What?
We're starting 19 on April 1st.
Are you sure?
I did. I worked it out in my tablet the other day and I was like, I think we're more than that. And
oh
we were.
My goodness. we're bookkeepers and we can't count. So now we know
Well,
our
we learned that
threshold.
yesterday
or
or last week. I know.
How many of you caught the problem in Kristen's math there?
It's because I was thinking of multiple things.
Right.
That's all. But we always double check ourselves and we catch it right away.
Exactly. That's exactly right. So things to keep in mind: grow. Well, you have to know to grow. I'm going to patent that. Does anybody patent that? You have to know.
Right. And
to grow.
training is more than just going to class, sitting there.
Mhm.
It can be, again, talking to your mentor, reading books. There's so many good books out there, people.
There are. Yeah. And again, we like to talk about all around. So you have your spiritual life, your personal life, and your business life. So are you feeding all three with good training?
You have to
Because sometimes we only focus on business.
It's true.
Like, when's
It's
the
true.
last time you went to a spiritual refreshment seminar or a retreat? Or when's the last time we did on a vacation?
Oh, yeah, that's true, because you got to rest. You have to rest.
Yep. Give yourself the opportunity. So, like, there it is. You have to grow in all your areas.
All right. So in March, we're going on vacation.
Yeah, see ya. We'll still do it.
Yeah.
We just won't be this background.
That's right. That's right.
Well, you'll have to try to guess where we went.
Ooh. Instead of where's Waldo, where's HLC?
I know exactly where we're going to do it.
Okay.
I have it in my head.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So again, this is Krista and Christina Rue of HLC Bookkeeping and Office Services. We're located in Jeanette, Pennsylvania.
Exactly.
Our contact information, phone number 724-561-7460. Email us at office@yourhlc.com.
Here, I have a free tip for them.
Ooh.
Make sure when you're doing a Facebook Live, they can see your phone number. Hence me holding it up, because I just realized you can't see our number.
No, this doesn't always show the full picture.
Can you see it?
Just,
you can't see it.
Oh, that's our not so silent partner in the background saying, no, you can't. No, you can't. So I'm holding it up for you.
all right. All right. Well, that's all for today, because remember, we only like to take 10 to 15 minutes because we know your time is valuable.
Yes, absolutely. And you enjoy this beautiful day. The sunshine is out.
We might stop early.
Get some vitamin D.
That's right. All right. Well, have a good one. Bye-bye.
Have a blessed day.